Hi, I'm Petar. I'm a researcher at Ontotext. I work on various EU projects in healthcare, disinformation, and manufacturing. I focus on semantic data modeling and machine learning. Ontotext is the GraphDB company. We help clients to discover hidden knowledge in their data assets by combining semantic graph databases with text mining and machine learning. This puts all the data and content in large knowledge graphs, which helps with better interlinking, interpreting, analyzing, and reuse of data. In the UNDERPIN project, we'll be taking over the role of technical lead, overseeing all the technical aspects of the project. And in addition, in collaboration with Semantic Web Company, we'll be working on the data space interoperability through the use of semantic technologies.